way, but you a stepper, nigga. I was jumping off before first period, you was eating breakfast, nigga. Call my Glock, DMs cause it's gonna send you a message, nigga. Ride around, stolen cars, how about snatch your necklace, nigga? Stop.
Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Von, aka VonHylton, coming to y'all back with another video.
Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Fast Life Prince, aka Fast Life Prince, coming back to you with another video.
As you can see by the title and thumbnail, we are at the BMW dealership. You feel me? So recently, if you guys haven't figured out by now, this guy doesn't have a car. He got into an accident. We ain't gonna get into too much details.
Go watch the other video.
If you want to see the details, go watch the video on his channel at Fast Life Prince. But he came to the conclusion of what he wants. Somewhat. He kind of like broke down his options to like 2 options. So now we're here at the BMW dealership looking at one of his options. So we're gonna see if they're gonna let him test drive it, see the numbers on it, and go from there. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss when I upload. And we're about to go inside the dealership. So we at the dealership right now looking at whips, and this the white M340 they looking at. Like this is an option right here, the white one, and there's also a black one with the carbon lip. So they looking for it right now. But dang, I ain't gonna lie, being at a BMW dealership make you feel like you at a car show. Like all these junk is clean, bro. It's just clean and shiny. Oh, it's the green one. Yeah, the green G80 over here. Shit go hard. You see the G80.
Oh, there's another one over here. It's a little different.
Damn, M4 competition. You see the bucket seats though?
How much are you going for?
99. 100K. I got 100 bands right now. For y'all. 100 bands. Hold on, I'm gonna get a thumbnail. They jump hard. Shit, M4 competition. X-Drive. Yes, sir, but they looking for it right now. And, you know, we got backseat passes. They got the M2 or the M340 getting serviced, the one he looking at. So it's not gonna be ready today, but they just want us to let us lay eyes on it. You feel me? But this one right here, they inspecting it so it can be like certified and everything. I think this one had a lip on it. Body marks. They got bronze wheels on it. Certified. They're looking at it right now. As you can see, the front lip on it. But clean ass car. It's the next day, you feel me? Joker back there getting his tires. So I was gonna put my coilovers on, but I end up getting the wrong bushings. So I can't even do that. But I'm still gonna get front tires, cause I definitely do need front tires. And then speaking of M340s, like I keep seeing them now. I seen this at the shop right here. I'm like, damn, who got this M340? But right now I'm about to put on a square setup again, so I'm about to do 255, 35 in the front. I got 255, 35 in the back. Get aligned and everything. I wanted to do 275 in the back, but like I said, I didn't get to put my coilovers on. So we just gonna rock out with that, get alignment, and then figure out this bushing situation, and then I'll be able to put my 275s in the back, and I'll be straight with that. But we're gonna rock out with that for now. Hopefully them junks last and I don't run into no problems. Me and Jordan been looking at M340s. Them junks, they clean, but I think I'm gonna stay down and wait my turn. If he gets one, he gets one, but I'm gonna rock out with Joker, you feel me? I ain't done yet. I ain't done building this one yet. Got the front tires on, now I can get an alignment. Yeah, I feel like I haven't got alignment in a long time.
The symbol should have been wired with the light.
I wired them differently.
Oh, okay.
So this right here,
Oh, the headlight.
the headlights, and this is on its own power, so it can be on and off
Okay.
by itself. I'm about to get my headlights done too.
Oh, with the
Yeah, but when I get my headlights done, I'm gonna wire them all together. So they,
yeah, I think that would be lit.
Yeah.
That one for the back too or not?
nah, that one's wired definitely
No,
too.
because they sell A logo for the back that lights up too.
Nah, just for this right here.
Just for that?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be-
Once I do that, everything gonna be one color. Yes, sir. Appreciate it. I'm about to get my front lip later today, and I'm probably gonna change out these side skirts, make them all car clean again. Yeah, I'm gonna put the one-piece one.
The one piece? Or?
Yeah, cause these ones they flex easily.
Yeah, I mean, it's part of it. Oh, these are 3 piece.
Yeah, so it's gonna flex easier. Everything I'm gonna make one piece, so it can be clean. But you see right now we getting set up. Yeah, sir. I should get a ceramic coat. I don't know. Get me right up there. Need that. It's gonna be driving so much smoother now, bitch. So as y'all can see, I got a one-piece Stillen front lip. Someone was selling it because he had got it for his Q50, but he had the 2017, and this is for the 2018 plus sport bumper. He had painted it gray, but I'm gonna paint it gloss black and everything like that. And I'm mad because I didn't even get to put my suspension on because I got the wrong bushings. So the bushings I need is for Rev 9. I got OEM bushings for the shocks. So now I need to figure out where I'm gonna get those at, because I don't even see them online. It's like when I try to get them, the ones I was seeing, it's like I gotta replace the whole bottom end. I'm not about to do all that. Hell no. So I gotta figure out where I'm gonna get that at so I can put this suspension on. Because basically, if I don't, I'm gonna have to keep running into the tire problem. Cause I got like mad camber in the front since my car is so low. I don't know how. Yeah, I've been out all day. The guy was saying who was doing my alignment, he was saying something may be broken or loose or bent, cause he was like, I got excessive camber in the front. I was like, I don't know, but we gonna figure that out, cause I'm tired of running through these tires. Hopefully, I get sponsored by this tire shop. I gotta talk to the guy when he come back in town. The same sponsor as To The Limits. If I do get sponsored by them, I'll be okay for now until I put the suspension on, in case like a tire get camber wear and stuff like that. But I want to raise my car a little bit, you feel me? So we gonna get that situated. I'm gonna paint this later because it's getting dark, probably tomorrow. With that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you never miss when I upload. On the road to 3,000 subscribers. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It's been your boy Vaughn.
This shit crazy where I'm from. This shit get dangerous where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. This shit get crazy where I'm from. This shit get dangerous where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. Been a savage since a jit. Never gave a fuck about a nigga or a bitch. Finna get duffled up, poking houses in the whip. I done find a new way, CVV, what's a zip? Good dope to the face, what you got, I need a zip. I be all on 24th, but I stay on 25th. From my dog across the way, yeah, he stay on 26. Got a dog down the fade, Glock hit chin shit. Dog went up the road, told that nigga slide right back. Now he up the road and he tryna get his life back. On your head, it's a fee, I ain't gotta pay a price tag. Dead in these streets if you play around with my cat. My name ain't Tyrese, I'm waist deep down in my bag. Better keep your heat, I know where my 4-5 at. Just please the piece, same day I pull 5 rack. Just please the piece, same day I pull 5 rack. This shit get crazy where I'm from. This shit get dangerous where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. This shit get crazy where I'm from. This shit get dangerous where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from.
In my hood, it's hard to make it out. That's why my Glock got like 30 shots. I'm tryna stack a knot. No, we ain't step up in the club. We in the parking lots. Fast hit the nigga. Yeah, we had to switch the spot. Sweetie, why you scratching, nigga? I'll be off the price a lot. No, I get it cheap because my brother keep the work a lot. No, I got the Glock when I pop out. How you wanna rock out? All the sights on me when I hop out. Got a lawyer, I ain't tryna cop out. Want the money, nigga, I ain't never chasing no cloud. Get that pass through the mail, I ain't never seen a drop. You the type of nigga
This shit
that'll
get
spray a
crazy where I'm
nigga house.
from. This shit get dangerous where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. This shit get crazy where I'm from. This shit get dangerous where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from.